In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on TradingView. Whether you're navigating charts late at night or just prefer a darker interface to ease the strain on your eyes, we've got you covered. Switching to dark mode can be beneficial for both aesthetics and comfort, especially during extended periods of screen time. First things first, open your web browser and head over to TradingView. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, you'll want to access your chart. So, click on the chart button or simply navigate to your saved charts if you have any set up already. This will take you to the charting interface where you can view and analyze your data. Next, and this part is quite straightforward, focus your attention on the upper section of your screen. There you'll see your profile icon. It's usually located at the top right corner of your trading dashboard. Click on this icon, which will prompt a drop-down menu with various user preferences and settings related to your profile and account management. Now, in this drop-down menu, you should see an option related to the appearance of your TradingView interface. Look for a toggle or switch labeled as dark mode or something similar. This is your key to transforming the color scheme of your interface. Go ahead and click on this toggle. What happens next is a swift change in your TradingView's appearance. The whites and lighter shades shift to deeper blacks and grays, creating a visually soothing environment for your trading activities. Utilizing dark mode is not only about personal preference, it can significantly mitigate eye fatigue, especially if you find yourself working in low light or spending late hours in front of the screen. This feature is a simple yet effective way to make your trading experience more comfortable, allowing you to focus entirely on the analysis without being distracted by glare. If for any reason you decide to switch back to the classic light mode, just follow the same steps. Return to your profile icon, access the drop-down menu, and click the toggle again. The interface will revert to its original bright colors. It's just as easy to disable dark mode as it is to enable it. So, there you have it. You've learned how to effortlessly switch to dark mode on TradingView. Adjusting your chart settings can make a world of difference in enhancing your user experience, ensuring that the emphasis stays on the data and insights rather than the brightness of the platform. As you continue to explore TradingView, keep these handy tips in mind to customize your environment to best suit your personal trading style. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.